Yeah.
And I was like, "Da-da-da-da-da," like her. What? Yeah, I don't. What are your biggest turn-ons?
What's my big? Ooh. I'll tell you because I like my turn on.
Ha ha! I wish I go in water. All right, guys. It's been a minute. Shots and Thoughts is back.
Finally, I've been waiting for this one.
She don't know what she's interested in, guys. She don't have a clue.
Oh, for real?
As is customary. It's even like look, I'm on here. This is
I
good.
have work tomorrow.
Me too.
Oh God.
All right, so
I'm gonna regret
campaign.
this. Bye.
God bless your soul. Lord, this is room. Mm-hmm. All right. Mm-hmm. All right.
All right.
So who wants to ask the first question? You go first because this is my show. Everyone says that, but none of them are really easy. Let me just...
For real? No. I'm gonna. Okay.
All right. So for those who don't know how the show works, it's shots and thoughts. So one person asks the other party a question. If you wish to answer, you go ahead. If you don't want to answer, you have to take a shot of the alcohol for the day, which is Myers rum. Now, we have a little chaser there if you want to die, but we are all big people here.
Yep.
Jamaicans. Yeah. All right. So she's been with the first question. Go ahead.
Lord help me. Okay, your first question is
Mm-hmm.
who is your biggest no. Who is your secretly problematic celebrity crush?
Secretly problematic, like probably for like persons. If I told people that I like them, they'll be upset.
Yeah.
She's on peace. All of this slurring, it's just one half a shot. Who problematic?
Problematic celebrity crush.
Celebrity.
Celebrity or
I was. I don't know. I can just tell you a secret crush then. A secret crush.
You have to talk or drink, you have to do odd.
What's it? Let's pause it, magic. Secret crush. Oh, Benny, I hurt me. Feel like he's gonna explode the room.
Aww. See, if it's a normal secret crush, then it's like really personal. It's like you outing. I don't want to out you.
Oh no, outing is a different one.
I know.
Outing is.
I don't want to expose.
Oh, okay, cool.
I'm just talking about a problematic person.
People might not like the person because for whatever reason they might find them dull.
Okay.
Dull or whatever. I don't know, and they're probably not. They're not. They're not from Jamaica. One. I just started YouTube. I didn't say it before, but a lot of people took me seriously. I had a crush on this girl called. She's a very big YouTuber in Japan, actually. Charlotte, Japan. She's Canadian. She was married to this dude, and then they broke up, and I was very happy about that.
Oh.
But
Wow.
the thing has come out. That's it. Just a crush from afar.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
That's it.
Next question.
What?
I'm nervous.
Oh, easy. You can answer this.
Alright.
What is the weirdest thing Japanese man has said to you while trying to date you or trying to get with you?
Weirdest thing. Weirdest thing. Oh, no, that's not weird. Well, I think it's weird, but Jesus Christ, my parents watch this.
But so they said to you, so it's not how you wait up your kid.
I know.
Parents watch this. I'll put this on private blast.
It's fine. I'm grown. Whoever says they're grown, they're not grown. Alright.
No, killer, no.
Oh God. Weird. See, so the thing is, I don't really take things personally.
But
there was this one guy who wanted to do it in a public park. That was the weirdest thing.
Ha!
Yeah.
Do it in a public. You were together?
Yeah, we were together and we wanted to do it
In a public park?
Yeah.
Were you drunk?
No, sober.
In the middle of the day?
No, not middle of the day.
I'm trying to tell you what makes it weird.
Nighttime.
In the nighttime, was
Yeah,
that
like-
busy park?
No, it was just quiet. I mean, if you're into that stuff, fine. But for me, I was like, oh shit. Of course, I said no. That's like,
What about on a beach night with blankets, like just away from?
yeah,
It's different kind of.
it's different. It's a park. Like kids
Just
play
play
there.
there. Yeah.
Kids play there. And people probably suicide at that park. I don't know. It's a park. And like, no, the thing, it's not even like the place that I got offended
Is
with.
how he asked you?
No, it's not even that. Him assuming that I'll be okay with that
Oh.
was kind of rude. Like, oh, you just take me for your dog, you know?
No, it depends. How long were you together when that happened?
I don't even know, like 2 months.
Yeah, that's kind of 2
Yeah,
months.
that was weird.
Was that the first time he asked to have sex with you?
No.
Oh, okay. So you had. Oh, this is. Oh, I'm gonna follow up with some more questions after this. But, all right.
No, but yeah, he probably didn't understand that I wasn't cool with him like that.
We had sex already.
Next question. You only one question.
Sorry. Right.
One question.
All right. My question. Sorry. Sango is a prude. Sango is all about that traditional style. It's fine, but I'm not. I'm not. No. Never mind.
What do you wear when you're hoping to go home with someone?
Ooh. What do I wear?
So you're basically giving out your outfit.
From a whole outfit?
No, you're giving out your warrior clothes.
So
anybody you go out with from now on, I'm gonna say, yeah, try to take them home. So
you think you're slick? You think you're slick? All right. Summertime.
Okay. Oh, we're going with the seasons.
Yeah,
right.
summer. Winter. The jacket have to do it. It have to be. If you see me looking like sharp, like well, like my dress shoes. And like a button-up shirt or something is me, and so that is in the winter. Summer, if you see me wearing jeans in the summer, say me want to go. When I wear out summer shorts, 3/4 foot pants and some slippers. Once you see me put on like looking snazzy, you cologne a kick. Yeah, you see me not drinking as much.
Oh, you want to keep the brains.
Have to always, when you see me and go so, it don't matter whatever happens.
You're just here to have fun.
Yeah, but if you see me not drinking, then Okay, so.
Alright, oh, next question.
Alright, this is nice. What is your.
Do you want to add a new rule?
What's, okay.
If we answer 2 questions, we have to both take a shot afterward. Because that's just boring and we only have a short period of time. Like, speed it up.
This girl is going to get us killed. So if you answer 2 questions, you take a shot?
We both take a shot.
Jesus Christ.
No?
Alright,
You
No, you can't you can't style me.
No, but more if I add this rule to
everybody is going forward. So after every 2 questions.
If we both answer
2
questions.
So if you answer a question and I answer a question, I have to take a shot?
Yeah.
Alright.
No, because I noticed that we're both open.
Right? Oh, yeah.
We're
Mostly.
Yeah.
Well, alright. Well, that means this video is not going to be more than 10 minutes long. Because after this, the back of it done. Alright, let's go with both answer the question.
Cheers.
Sango, I them all are closed already. Oh, this video is going to be. You see, because you tell me say parents watch video now, I feel like.
No, don't worry. I'm sorry, mommy and daddy.
I'm sorry to mommy and daddy because somehow apparently my videos what's in there and I never told them about it. But we're adults, what we do? We're Jamaican kids at heart, guys. Trust me, it's still kind of nerve-wracking sometimes. Anyway, the question is, what is something that you never thought you'd do in your life,
right?
But you ended up doing it?
Oh.
I have an answer for that. No, we have to take a shot anyway because based on how you set the rules. Within the last year, so it can be.
I never thought I would start. I never thought I'd have the courage to start my YouTube channel. That's the thing.
Oh, yes, of course, it's a damn thing. It's a damn thing. Be proud.
Yeah.
One up.
It's always the hardest step to start.
But then finishing anyway.
What?
Remember back.
Oh, okay. So, what was the most shallow reason for not going on a second date?
Most shallow we never gonna second. I don't really date that much, but there was this girl in Jamaica that wow, wait a minute. Wow, shallow. Oh, she said something that turned me off. She said, "Me
You know,
want."
you have to let it know for the girls out there who admire you, you know? Like,
Yeah, the girl.
you can know what not to do and
Yeah,
what to
yeah.
do.
If that, I don't know anyway. But anyway, the thing is, she said we went out to dinner.
Yeah.
And she said she wanted to use the bathroom, but the way she said it, that was it. That was nothing. Me want a pee pee.
Oh, that's cute though.
No, is it
Want
pee pee or
pee-pee.
wee wee?
Want pee-pee.
Want wee wee. What was it? I don't remember what it was. It was one of them. But it just at the point, my eyes just said, "What is that big woman?"
Oh,
Like,
is she trying to be cute?
We're like 20 odd. So it never, I don't want to
What
offend.
would you have preferred then? Like, I would like to use the bathroom.
No, I want
Would
to
you
pee.
expect-
I want to pee. That's cute. Pee. Something. I want to pee.
Pee-pee.
Pee pee. That's. I don't know. It feels. It just feels.
Alright.
Ugh.
A shot to that.
Oh my god, this guy's gonna kill me.
Yes.
And you just want to catch up?
I guess so.
Well, you know, I don't think anybody else would ever want to come on the Shots and Thoughts after this episode because the
I mean,
amount
we're
of.
here for a fun time, yeah.
This look like a pour. This is like a shot and a half. Anyway,
Wait.
girl is out here drunk people. 2 shots in. She's
I'm
dead.
not drunk.
That means that we have to eat food. What are we eating later?
Alright, come.
We're eating ramen?
Well,
Curry?
oh, we have to get ramen.
Okay, boss.
Come back.
Can be.
We still don't have no chips here tonight. We need chips, man.
No, there's no chips. You're going to die on this alcohol mountain that we're building. Yo, to clean up this
No,
place
the
after this
thing-
is such a trash
The
mess.
thing, you did.
No, Michael.
See, you're not talking about me drunk.
I'm not ready yet. I'm not ready.
Not
So,
ready yet.
I'm not, oh my god, you're not
I'm
ready.
No.
Right, those are easy questions though. One question.
Yeah.
Okay, let's start getting into the nitty gritty now. Let's go.
Hey!
So, what is your weirdest kink?
My weirdest kink.
Yeah. I went there, guys. It's going down.
What's my weirdest kink?
What is something that, you just, that's it. Oh, no. I can't change the question. Like, what is your weirdest kink that you might consider weird? Well, you might consider it now, but other people think it's weird.
I don't. Wait. Okay, I might have to drink for this one.
Come on,
Because
friend!
the thing is, like, I'm not answering only for myself. I'm
You're answering for the other person!
That's the thing.
What a good girlfriend you have. What not?
Ooh, alright.
I got you.
Thank
That was a
you.
good one, right? You like that one?
Yeah.
I want this is something I'm going to see it on camera. I'll tell you after.
Oh, that's for you, babe. Jesus.
Because it sounds like something. At least always like licking your armpit because that baby is like, oh, that's just nice. He's black, so he won't do that, right?
No, but did you know that if you match on a DNA level,
Yeah.
so for example, if we match on a DNA level, but you don't match with everybody else on the DNA level, they will smell your frowniness, but the person
Won't smell it?
no.
The more you know.
The more you know.
Alright, girl is dead, so the shots reset, right? So you tell the shots reset, so if that's one, you answer one, and then we take a shot.
Oh, for real?
Yeah,
Oh.
because if you take out with the question, yeah, that must be the rule. Because when I did the program, I'm babbling, I'm rambling. Because if you answer the question, I answer the question, then we take a shot, right?
Yeah.
But you took a shot because it's in there, right?
Yeah. The new rules, yeah.
Boy.
Okay, if you had to choose between going naked, like walking naked in public, and your thoughts showing in bubbles,
Wow.
which one would you choose? Like anybody you have a conversation with.
Would see what I'm thinking about?
Yeah.
And I'm just going naked in public
Oh, okay.
all the time? No, just be naked all the time?
Yeah. Assistance and shit.
Yeah, man. Never mind it. I don't mind. I'm an open book,
Oh, so you want to go naked? Oh!
Yes, I asked about the Kinks, so damn it. No! I answered. It's my question to you because you talked to me about if I want to be naked or.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so I want to have my thoughts shown to the world because I'm an open-blooded book. Question to you. What would you say has been your most embarrassing experience in Japan?
Most is no bleh. My most embarrassed. Wait, in what?
Any sphere,
Anything?
any
Any
sphere.
sphere.
Yeah, anyway, at home, at school, at work, in the bathroom.
I'm not really an egoistic person,
Uh-huh.
so I don't really get
Uh,
embarrassed easily.
but
But I get embarrassed anytime I sing in public. Yeah. Not juicy, I know, but that's just me. I get embarrassed when I sing in
that's your
public.
most embarrassing moment when you start to sing in
You
public.
don't even know what me I.
That's your most embarrassing. Leave me alone.
Yeah.
I've been in Japan too long. I'm adjusting to the climate.
Yeah, like.
So, like when you sang at the jerk and wine
Yeah,
thing, you're embarrassed.
yeah.
That was nerve wracking for you.
Yeah. Nothing. So you need to specify what you feel, but yeah, anytime I sing in public, yeah, it's like nerve wracking. It's not nerve wracking.
It's embarrassing.
It's embarrassing. I don't like my own singing.
Yeah,
Sad.
I can understand. No, I can understand. At one point, I didn't like my voice either.
Yeah.
Like really, I was like because I couldn't sing certain songs, and sometimes you have to recognize as a singer that there's some songs that suit your voice better than some.
Right. Exactly.
And though people want to sing the popular stuff or the things that they like, but you are not able to do it as competently as you think you should.
Yeah.
And
That's why I don't like singing in public. I don't. That's why I don't want to be a singer.
Anymore, you change your mind now?
Huh?
You change your mind? You don't want
If I still want to sing
yeah,
in
because
public?
no, yeah.
Like, okay, so there's like two different type of singing in public. There's
Uh-huh.
singing in public where you want everybody attention and you want like the fans and stuff. That's not what I want. I want you to just sit and mind your business
And then
I'm playing in the background.
oh, you want to be a BGM, but that can't work. You can't have both.
No.
Can't have both.
Alright, next question. My question.
No,
'Cause
I have questions put down for when the shit hit the fan, you know. So don't worry. I have the bomber. I need to ask. So I want to know them drink this.
Alright, show the most embarrassing picture on your phone.
My phone is recording.
Oh shit.
Well, let me see if I have anything in this phone. But this one is also recording.
But do you know the most embarrassing picture
Of me?
phone? Yeah. No.
Of anything?
The most embarrassing picture in general.
My most that people embarrassed them say, what the hell is that? I have a picture of me weight loss journey.
Oh, okay.
So I have my belly.
So you'll show it.
I'll put it.
You'll put it in. Okay.
Jesus, please.
Why?
Why?
You have to put it there now.
Do I?
Don't cut. Oh, you have. You're gonna edit this. If you edit it out.
What was not even upset with me?
I should have some camera, like hidden camera right
You're
here.
gonna be upset with me.
Nah.
Everyone else answer the question, so
Jesus Christ.
Your
Why
rule.
miss this rule?
your rule.
Now I'm like, oh shit.
Your rule. See. Whoop.
What?
Whoop. It's you start now. You have to spell it or is it all seal? We call it sealer.
See that?
When you spell it seal. Guys, this is a brand new book. We're going down slowly but surely.
Hey.
Alright, compare.
Cheers.
Oh god, we did.
It's weird.
They said cheers. Think of something else up one like your baby. That's right. When you feel like, I think a joke thing this is shots and thoughts. Not much
There's
thoughts.
more shots.
Was mostly shots today. Girl, bring new rules. So with Dead in the show. Dead in the show, buddy. Going right. Oh yes, right. Oh. Right. So it gets a bit juicy now. Cause we want to eat some ramen. Anyway.
Yeah.
What are your biggest turn-ons?
What's my big? Ooh. I'll tell you because I like my turn-ons. My biggest turn-on is those guys who, you know, the hips, right? I'm gonna have to stand
The
up.
V
for
cut.
this. Yeah. That muscle right.
The V cut.
That's
that's what you like. That's it. That's it. You just
that's it. Yeah.
risk it all for it. That is it. If you don't have it, him dead in the show. Like him can't get to it.
What?
Get the V cut, guys. That's what she's saying. Get that rip.
That tingles me, you know.
That
Alright, next question. Oh, my question.
Yeah. Is your question?
Babe,
Yes.
what's the most embarrassing bad experience you've had with a Japanese girl? Because you tease around that area a lot in your videos, and you ask a lot of those questions to your collaborators, but you never really talk about your experience. So I'm giving you the opportunity to talk.
The opportunity to take a shot.
No, why? Rolls the cork off.
Okay,
No, but if you take the shot, I don't have to take a
right.
shot.
So I know, so I mean, answer the questions about those take shots, you figure it out. Yeah, man, never take for the team. Come out here, we're only have a good time. Alright, so for me, the first time, well, it's the only time. My first was a Japanese girl. My first time I was with a Japanese woman. Yeah, that was for Virgin, a Japanese woman.
Was it? Oh no.
She was married. She was married. Anyways, Jesus, why did I say that?
No, you better not edit this out. That's juice. He's a naughty guy.
I don't want to be. I don't want to be. Anyway, everybody knows the story. Anyway,
most you already talked about it.
Yeah, that way back. Then I hid the video.
Well, there's new viewers. So.
So we were both drunk. Okay. So you know that already. We're making out and stuff, and we're in the bed. Well, not the bed. We're on the futon on the ground. And
that detail.
Yeah, I know.
I need to calm down.
And start to do my thing and start.
Wait, you don't have to go into detail.
All right, so basically, I had like I couldn't. What happened? Like the first time, like because she's short, she's really short, and it was a bit awkward. For first time, it's awkward, and then
how short? Stand up.
She's not even 5 feet tall. I don't think maybe 5'1", and it's like
that's awkward.
Yeah, because she's
was it her first time as well?
No. For me, remember that I tried to because I am a Jamaican, so they automatically assume that, but that she knows I was a virgin. She knew that. Okay. So she says, "You sure you want to do this?" Like, it's like.
But maybe it's awkward not because of her, but because it was her first time.
It was my first time.
Everybody's first time is awkward.
Yeah, so for me, well, her was whatever.
Okay.
Like when we were doing this, she said, "Don't like you can't like she say, oh, why are you doing this? You know you're not really going to do why."
Yeah.
So I said, so you want?
Damn, girl, you should have just took authority and just write it.
And then she said,
I'm just kidding. Scratch.
And then she
it's
said,
the wrong. It's the wrong.
Then she said, so you know what she said? Yeah, right? And she said, and I didn't have any condoms, so convenient.
Wait, that's the most embarrassing experience.
No, I'm waiting for the experience for him after that. So
okay.
I was all over the place. I was missing in, out. It was crazy. I was in and out.
Laughing
on her butt cheek, then back in, and it was just a mess. Then, like at one point, she sat on me like this and I had her like this.
Yeah.
And I was like, like her.
Wait, she or you?
No, she was on top of me, and I was like this. She sat on me, and I was like,
Jesus Christ.
And she didn't go, so like, I was like, no, don't have it. It's just like the porn.
I mean, at least you make her feel good.
Yeah, she didn't have sex for like 6 months or almost a year.
Married, damn.
Yeah, you have to read. Yeah. All right, so both of us are taking shots because we both answered questions.
Did we?
Yes, we did.
Jesus Christ.
The V cut.
This ramen better be good.
Wait, I don't care if it's good. I just need to go into my belly. The V cut is your fault.
V cut, yeah. I mean,
come on, young lady.
Who doesn't like it? Cheers.
Ooh. Oh, but I can make it home.
Oh, yeah.
Last time I had a rough time. At least it's alright, we're good. We won't dead. Alright. 2 more questions from each of us because where this rum thing going, I don't think.
No. This is going to be a bit
personal. Alright, cool.
What's the most hurtful thing someone's ever said to you?
Oh, that's easy.
Okay, never mind. He's a very open book person, you know?
I have to think about it. Most hurtful,
yeah.
Alright, so this is
don't lie to me, you know. I can tell if you're lying.
Really?
I'm good at reading people.
No, you're not.
What? For real? Okay.
I don't know. I'm being bullshit. But
Alright,
most hurtful thing. I think
It's time for some emotional talks, you know.
What has someone said to me? Like when I just started doing music,
Yeah.
sorry,
Excuse you.
I was very sensitive about music, even though, but back then, like I was very insecure about my singing
Yeah.
and my voice.
Mm.
And someone said to me, like jokingly, but it was a joke, but it really hit me. Like, don't quit a J job to sing. I think
That
was one of the most hurtful things. I think, but apart from that, I think my first real breakup, um, my ex talked to her. I don't know from now. She said,
tissues. Let's grab tissues.
"Go for myself. Shut up." She said like,
Who's cutting onions?
really though?
No,
She said,
who's cutting onions?
she said that what she said, like, oh, I have to break up with you because you your parents have too much control in your life, and I'm used to a certain lifestyle. And I was like, what? Why would you say something like that? I mean, my parents obviously my life can still live with them, but I mean, you came with the house and see with the house already. You have done stuff, we have done things and whatever.
Yeah.
So what's the issue? But the real reason, she didn't tell me the real reason. That was the most hurtful part. The reason why she broke up with me was because one, I was a virgin at the time and she wanted to have sex. I didn't know how to tell me that, but she didn't tell me. And two was that the very next, probably a couple of days later, she was saying she broke up with me on the phone, And the very next couple of days later, she was saying, "No, there's this guy that she liked in her class at school," and that is where my brain was just lost. Like this was all about. This guy at university.
Yeah.
In her class. I was like, what the fuck? Like, why would you say something like that? So that was like that took me out from.
I mean, that's just immatureness.
Yeah, and then after that, a couple months later, she wanted me back. What? But I didn't give her the time of day.
Thank you. Next.
Petty picky. PP. Sorry. Alright, cool.
Alright.
When I said PP, I know PP. PP. Oh, damn.
It probably shocked you that much.
Yeah, that was it. That's it. Bam.
Don't say PP. No, the funny thing is like earlier today I was reading like why. What's the thing that for ladies?
Yeah.
What was a turn off in a first date?
Yeah.
And that's something like that. Like
really?
Even ladies, like there was this comment saying that there was this grown ass military man saying, "I need to go TT." And
yeah, that. Yeah. Okay,
so that's
yo, I need to go TT. Yo, that must have been put her out because he probably has childish
I would
tendencies.
think it's cute. Like, okay, you're being vulnerable with me.
Yeah, but you're also half Japanese, so everything is cute to you. Sorry, it's just for people you don't understand. She understands one time and she will be upset, but it's true.
No,
everything is cute.
Cute, kawaii. Yes.
Kawaii. Like my Japanese, you sound like a kid. Kawaii.
I would rather people be vulnerably cute rather than just show that, like, have a
bravado, like a facade.
Me I go piss, like.
Yo, me I go piss in your mouth later. Wow. What?
No.
Why? Who does that? You.
Ew.
Who?
Next question.
R. Kelly. Dave Chappelle. Sorry, alright.
Why are you talking about Dave Chappelle?
Dave Chappelle is he's so funny. He's hilarious.
Okay. Alright.
He doesn't.
No, good. No, shout out to Dave Chappelle.
Yes, he did the damn thing.
Yeah, he did it. And like, mad respect to him.
Mad respect to Dave Chappelle. He doesn't even watch this. Watch this.
Don't say it like that. Be like, Dave Chappelle's gonna watch this.
Dave Chappelle's gonna watch this and know that we spoke about him. He heard his name a while ago. He heard it. Yeah, he's gonna like find it in the atmosphere.
Mad respect.
Big up boss, he showed the way. But you have to have money to do that though. You have to have that belief in yourself, one, and the actual financial freedom to do it. Most people have one but not two.
Alright, now I'm gonna ask you one question.
This is not a shot, that's why I don't.
Would you do what Dave Chappelle did?
If I had the financial freedom like him, yes.
No, without the financial freedom.
It's hard. Because he already made a bank,
Right.
But he wasn't being paid what he was worth.
Right.
And they wanted him also to dress up as a woman. I said, no, I'm not doing that. I don't need to do that to be funny.
Right.
So you actually trying to fit me into a box that I don't need to fit in because I already have my brand.
Okay, so one thing I want to put in there is that put YouTube aside because now you have YouTube and SNS that you can express those kind of like
It put me free opinions and stuff, right?
But put yourself in
the
his
TV
shoes.
I don't know. I'd have to think hard, long and hard.
Yeah.
Depends on like where my mind was at that point, how my family is.
Right.
Because you see the thing is I'm assuming that he was the main brainwinner for the family.
Right. That's
so
another thing.
If you discuss it with the wife, it depends on the type of person your wife is too, or the person with at the time. Because if she's somebody that loves the frilly and loves the perks and stuff, and you say no, we're gonna quit.
I want to trust that you're not that type of person to just run into a marriage with those kind of people.
You'll be surprised what happens when you live in Japan. 1 and 2, how people listen.
I mean, it doesn't even have to be in Japan though.
But people generally put up with shit or do stuff in the initial stages because they see the end game. I know this guy is going to blow up real soon, so I'm going to put up with this shit. And as soon as he gets there, then all bets are off.
That would be smart. That would be a smart move.
So in that point, she could have said like, "Yo, I don't like this. I don't like where this is going." Right. But because I know that he still has the bag, I'm going to stay. So I don't know. It depends.
I don't like leeches. That's just
but it is what it is though, right. Sango. Leeches exist everywhere. Men, women, and whatever you identify yourself as, because genders is now a thing. It's like colors. There's so many.
You know, if alcohol, like, you know that a person is genuinely caring when alcohol is in them, they speak like this. So he's a good guy, guys or girls or whatever.
You know what? Sango doing good.
Wait, go check the camera real quick. Yeah, make sure. How much money we
have? It don't matter. We have enough to last us for a lifetime. We have, wow, you're so good at this.
I know.
15 seconds. Whatnot.
Don't call him whatnot.
Sorry. And what? I don't know where the whatnot came from. I was just trying not to call him name.
Is that a thing?
No, it's not a thing. I've just been disgusting. Alright.
We'll have the tissue on the table.
Alright, guys. Boy, I'm telling you something. First of all, amount of time we stop and try to record is just crazy. And, I guess hope you guys enjoyed the video. We had a ball. We're almost drunk. We're going to just finish it off with these 2 shots. So I'm going to tell them something. Tell them something. Talk to them quick.
We'll get some ramen after this. We need some good tonkotsu ramen.
Yeah.
Oily.
Oil, all the oil. Just soak up all this alcohol.
Have a good week. Big up. Check out your music. Burner.
And
the merch.
Oh, don't even buy it. Sorry.
Well, me never buy it yet.
I know, I'm hearing it.
Yes.
Come take up the room, shot man. It's another episode of Shots and Thoughts. If you want to be on an episode of Shots and Thoughts, if you're in Japan,
wait.
Let me know.
Oh, never mind.
Reach out. Be there. Alright, out.
Ooh.
So.
You want it?
Drink it. This is peer pressure. Yes. Puss not. Out.
You're out. Bye.
Ooh,
I need some ramen.
So like you want to pee. That's what it sounds like. I need some ramen.